Hello friends, let's all do the dynamometer experiment together now. We will use a pen to measure how far down the weights we will use in the experiment have gone. I turned the tip of the paper clip into a hook. You can use different types of hooks, but a paper clip is the easiest for this. We will also use a regular rubber band. I chose a stapler and a tape measure as weights. You can use different items. Now let's proceed to the experiment. Let's attach our rubber band to the wood of the dynamometer and then attach our prepared paperclip hook. Then let's measure and mark where it reaches along with the paperclip. When empty, the tip of the paperclip reaches here. Now let's attach our weight. First, attach our stapler and mark how far it goes down. Then weigh our tape measure. What do we actually see here? It turns out that our stapler is almost twice as heavy as our tape measure. We can see that from this ratio. We can also use the dynamometer in this way. If you want, you can measure the weights of objects and write them here and use it that way.